Hi, I'm Mickey McDaniel, and welcome to Labor Only Auto Repair and Flashwork Specialties in Hutto, Texas, right here on County Road 137 near County Road 138. For our neighbors who are new to the area, County Road 137 is also known as Jakes Hill Road, and heading east towards Hutto in Round Rock, Gaddis School Road becomes County Road 138 after it crosses the 130 toll road. You could say we're sandwiched between Hutto, Pflugerville, and Round Rock, so we're very close to everyone. The video is to show how great our driveway looks. We just got it paved, and we know everyone will love the new smooth drive up to the shop. Additionally, I can't share enough how much we appreciate all of our customers. The ones that have trusted us for years with their family and commercial cars and trucks, and of course, our new customers that have just started bringing us their vehicles. As you pull into the driveway to the shop, you'll pass by the house that my husband Evan and his 3 brothers helped their stepdad build while they were still in school at Hutto in 1983. So we are pretty much as local as it gets. Thanks to Dustin, our son, for his hoverboarding video skills, and thank you for stopping by. We hope to see you soon.